So I'm so excited to share this with you. This is coming from one of the people that follow me in this channel, somebody that has benefited from my strategy in making monies through IPOs. In case you missed that video, please search through this channel. You will see a video titled How I Cash Out or How I Make Millions Using IPOs. That video is a must watch. You have to look for that video and watch it if you are going to benefit from other IPOs that are coming this year in the stock market. So this one really excited me because it's coming from one of the people that are following me. That is the people that we can call beginner investors, people that are new to the stock market. This person was able to make money during the IPO, and he was so excited to share his experience with me. I'm really excited. So according to him, during the IPO, after watching my video, the video I earlier highlighted titled How I Cash Out Using IPOs. So after watching that video, he was able to digest everything that were in that video, how I use my own personal strategy to make monies during IPOs, and this person digested everything. Then he now decided to try it out during the SpaceX IPO. And what happened? According to him, he said when the SpaceX IPO was available at the secondary market, that was on the 12th. So what happened was that he entered the market and he was able to buy 15 units at a unit cost of $156. That was how he was able to get it at that particular point in time when the IPO was on. The rate at which the stock of that particular IPO moves is very, very high. And of course, many people are buying and others are selling off, as I also highlighted in that video. So what happened was that when this person now bought 15 units at a unit price of $156, so using my strategy, he decided to exit the market when everything was high. Everybody's blood was so high. So he exited the market when the stock was selling at a unit price of $198. Yes, $198. He exited the market at that particular point and he was making $42 per unit. So if you multiply that $42 per unit by 15 units, it's going to give you about $630. That was what this person cashed out within these few days. I'm talking about within the period of about 24 to 30 hours. So this person was able to cash out $630 within this period that the stock was trading. So what happened was that when this person made the $630, he now exited the market. Yes, that is what I taught in that video. There are other things that I also taught in that video that is very, very essential, especially if you want to be making use of IPOs to make money for yourself. So now imagine $630. So let's convert it to our own currency here using 1,400 naira per dollar. And this person was able to make around 800,000 naira within a period of 30 hours. Yes, within a period of 30 hours. I'm talking about around 1.5 day. So that is it, 800 and something thousand naira, during the IPO. So imagine what you can make during IPOs if you adopt the strategy I highlighted in that video that I've been talking about in this channel. So don't forget that the SpaceX IPO was able to raise about $85 billion during the IPO, making the IPO the largest in the history of capital markets in the United States of America. So imagine $85 billion. That was what this SpaceX IPO was able to raise during the IPO. Remember that I told you in one of the videos that I also made in this channel that this IPO was supposed to be trading at a unit price of $135 during the IPO. But what happened? What happened is that during the time that this IPO, this stock started trading, it was already trading at $150 when the market opened. Yes, when the market opened, it started trading at $150 from $135. That was the initial pricing during the IPO. And don't forget that this stock traded up onto $202. Yes, that was the highest it has ever traded. It was trading up to $202. So imagine if my friend had also waited a little bit, so he would have added more few dollars to his profit at this moment. But that is not what I also advise. You have to exit the market when the momentum is very high. So that is why I'm also encourage you to check out for this channel for you to master all this, my own personal secrets that I'm sharing with you, especially when it has to come with stock investing. So you must know that at this moment, the SpaceX stock is selling at $185 at the time of making this video, and the market capitalization stood at $2.4 trillion. That is coming down from $2.7 trillion that it has moved up to during the IPO, and also from $202 to $185 at this moment. And now many people are asking, should I be buying this SpaceX stock at this particular point in time? My answer is yes and no, because if you are buying it right now, there's going to be lots of, bargaining between the buyers and the sellers, because people that have entered earlier, most of them are going to offload within these few days, while others that came late into the market are going to be buying. So for me, using my strategy in that video, why am I even sharing this strategy with you? Go and watch that video in this channel titled How I Cash Out Millions During IPOs. So if you watch that video, you will understand everything you need to know in order for you to benefit during IPOs. So that is what I want to share with you in this video. So for me, it's a big shout out to the person that shared his story with me using my strategy in this channel. Yes, the person said I shouldn't reveal his identity, but that is perfectly understood. So as I said, stay with me in this channel. In case you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor by subscribe, like, comment, and also share these videos so that others, especially beginner investors, can learn from these videos and also make money and also learn how to invest in the capital market. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.